Inviolable is an adjective that describes something that cannot be broken, violated, or dishonored. It refers to principles, rights, or objects that are considered sacred, secure, or untouchable. Origins: the word originates from the Latin inviolabilis, meaning not to be violated. It combines in not and violabilis, able to be violated, emphasizing something that must remain intact or respected. Or explanation and usage: inviolable is often used to describe moral principles, human rights, or agreements that are deemed unbreakable. Or sacrosanct: it suggests a sense of protection and reverence. Example sentences: freedom of speech is regarded as an inviolable right in many democracies, and the treaty established inviolable borders between the two nations. Cultural significance: in legal, moral, and societal contexts, inviolable often refers to rules, rights, or laws that are universally respected and must not be breached. For instance, human dignity is frequently described as inviolable in constitutions and ethical frameworks, symbolizing its fundamental importance. Synonyms: sacrosanct, extremely sacred or inviolable; unassailable, not open to attack or challenge; untouchable, immune to harm or violation; antonyms: vulnerable, open to being attacked or violated; breakable, capable of being destroyed or dishonored; compromisable, susceptible to being breached. Key takeaway: inviolable represents something so important or sacred that it cannot be broken or disregarded. It is a term often used in ethical, legal, or personal contexts to denote absolute respect or protection.